A crystallized and menacing virus fleet enters the body through the respiratory tract, initiating the invasion. The first infected cell radiates bright chemical alarm signals, interferons, into its surroundings. A giant patrol cell, the macrophage, arrives at the scene and engulfs the initial invaders. The macrophage displays a fragment of the destroyed virus antigen on its surface, declaring the enemy's identity. A helper T cell scans this identity, activates, and issues the general command to attack. Receiving the order, the B cell transforms into a giant plasma cell and begins producing antibodies. The plasma cell releases millions of bright and guided antibodies into the bloodstream. An epic battle, filled with light and energy, begins between the antibodies and the viruses. After the battle, macrophages clean the battlefield, restoring peace to the tissue.